Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing green coconut chutney. The chutneys are widely used in South Indian dishes. Dosa or idli never complete without the chutney. Let us see how to prepare. In a small pan, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Keep the flame at low. Add 1/8 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 1/4 cup roasted gram dal. Fry until the dal change the color. Now add 1 inch fresh ginger. Fry for a minute. Now it's the time to add a green chilli. I always remove green chilli seeds because green chilli seeds are the main cause for the stomach upset and kidney stone.
Meantime, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.
Fry for 2 minutes. Add 2 to 3 stems of coriander leaves. Add 3 to 4 curry leaves too. Now fry everything till 2 minutes. When it is cooled down, put all fried ingredients into the mixer jar. Add 1 cup freshly grated coconut. It's optional. I am adding half a teaspoon mint chutney or mint sauce. Add 1/8 teaspoon amchur powder, or you can add tamarind too. Add half a teaspoon Himalayan pink salt. Add water as required and grind it into a fine paste. Take it out coconut chutney in a bowl. Now it's a time to do the seasoning. Take a small pan on a flame. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add 1/8 teaspoon mustard seeds. Add 1 pinch of Asafoetida or a hing. Drop some curry leaves. Fry for a minute. Don't over roast. It is a perfect time to put it on the chutney. The green chutney is ready to serve.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Try this recipe today and do comments below in the comment box.
Thank you for watching. Eat healthy and stay healthy.